Today, our focus is on the word 努力, which you'll often hear in contexts related to personal goals, workplace achievements, and study routines. The word 努力 means effort or hard work. It's about putting in significant energy and determination to achieve something. The first kanji means to make an effort or to strive, and it carries the idea of exerting oneself. For example, 勤める uses this kanji to mean trying hard or working at something, and 努力家 shows a person characterized by continuous effort. The second kanji means power or strength, and it gives the sense of force or ability. For example, 力持ち emphasizes physical strength, and 能力 shows someone's capability or skill level. Efforts bear fruit. 努力が実る。努力が実る。I will continue to make an effort. 私は努力を続ける。私は努力を続ける。I can see his efforts. 彼の努力が見える。彼の努力が見える。He puts in a lot of effort. 彼は努力を重ねます。彼は努力を重ねます。The most common synonyms of 努力 are 頑張り and 粘り。頑張り emphasizes perseverance and striving, akin to doing one's best. 粘り focuses more on tenacity and persistence, often used in contexts where sticking with something challenging is crucial. The most common antonym of 努力 is 怠惰. 怠惰 means laziness and contrasts directly with 努力, reflecting a lack of effort or motivation.